everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on House of Zwide from the 24th to the 28th of April 2023 on Monday. Nia find himself in the worst or most awkward of position, and Nomsa makes Mulefe uncomfortable on Tuesday. Funani is determined to find the culprit within House of Zwide, while Shogi tried to give Nomsa some much needed advice on Wednesday. Alex considers taking drastic action to solve a problem. Faith struggles with her pain on Thursday. Nomsa has an annoying visitor in her yard, and Funani and Ria finally touch base on Friday. Zanella witnesses something she shouldn't have. Nomsa continues on her quest for love. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.